Spraying the liquid inside the bottle, it quickly expands and turns into foam that overflows. This is actually a polyurethane material. When sprayed on walls, it reacts with the air to form foam, gradually expanding and growing larger. This foam is used for home insulation. Initially, the sprayed foam is quite thin, but after a few seconds, it slowly solidifies and expands, filling gaps and creating an insulation layer. This foam provides excellent thermal insulation and has a comforting application process. Most importantly, it is non-flammable. Besides home insulation, it can also be used to decorate mirrors, making them look more aesthetically pleasing once applied.